Alright guys, so we're going to make raspberry fennel syrup, and what we're going to need is a saucepan like this. You can use a saucepan or a pot. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and you're also going to need 1 whole star anise. This star took me forever to find. I had to find it in a Mexican grocery store, El Super, so thank you El Super. And then you're also going to need 3 orange rinds, 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar, obviously 3/4 of a cup of water, and you're also going to need 5 ounces of fresh or frozen raspberries, so that's about 1/2 a cup. And then you're just going to combine all the ingredients into the pot or the saucepan. Just literally dump it all in there, and then you're going to boil it. And go in the description below to see how long you should boil it and how long you should let it simmer for. And then once you've done that, you're going to need a strainer, and you're gonna need something to put it in. I got a bigger jar this time, and yeah, just start putting it in through the strainer. Now, as you can see, some of it's gonna clump up, like the raspberry, parts of the raspberry, parts of the orange rinds, parts of the fennel seeds, and the star anise, parts of that too. It's gonna kind of clump up in the strainer. If that's the case, just kind of strain as much out, then go dump the other little parts of the ingredients, and then strain it again and dump it out. But basically that's it. That's how you make raspberry fennel syrup. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like what you're watching, be sure to like and subscribe.